Evidential model MOSFET, AKV signal, small signal transconductance model, continuity between operating regions. Already we have seen equivalence between models. Continuity between operating regions. Best power efficiency here. Weak here. Moderate, strong inversion. In the x-axis, log IC -4, -2, 0, +2, +4. Here GMG divided by ID, that is GM in gate. Here this one for 2 beta divided by n ID root square 2 times beta divided by n times ID. Here this is 1 by n times of ut. Here log IC, strong inversion, moderate, weak. Here GMG divided by ID, drain current. This is EKV small signal transconductance model, mathematical model. Here quasi-static capacitance model, mathematical model. This is one type of mathematical modeling, okay, for design of analog ICs. Bulk enhancement MOSFET, quasi-static transcapacitance model. Here small signal increments only. Small signal increments only. Already we have seen. Okay. VGB not, VSB not, VGB. Here input only elements. Input only elements. Drain, gate, source, base. In between gate to drain, CGD. In between gate and source, CGS. In between gate and base, CGB, like that. CXY equal to dou QX divided by dou VY. Here V rest equal to 0. Dou XY, sorry, dou QX under dou VY. Okay. Now here CXY not equal to CYX because non-reciprocal. In gate oxide capacitor 3.9 SiO2, here epsilon R, epsilon naught, OX, epsilon OX divided by T OX. Here this is the conduction bond, this is the forward saturation. Here strong inversion, this is the strong inversion. 1 by 2 Cg S equal to Cgd, that is in source equal to trade Cg is strong inversion in conduction band. Here weak, here full weak, here modern, here strong. Here n minus 1 divided by n, Cgp here, Cgs divided by Cgd, okay, 1 by 2 strong inversion this side. Here forward saturation, actually here what is the scale? VGB minus VTH divided by UT, minus 22, 10 up to here weak, 10 to minus 10 to plus 10 moderate, plus 10 to 20 strong inversion. This is VGB minus VTH UT. Here CXY by COX COX. Here also scale 0 to 0.6. So conduction moderate, strong inversion. This is the range, okay. And n minus n1, n minus 1 divided by n, here Cg S divided by Cgd. So in forward saturation, what is going on? Here Cgp n minus 1 divided by n. Here in x-axis minus 20 plus minus 10, 0 plus 20 plus 1. Cgd. This map for n minus 1, 3n. Here n minus 1 divided by n, Cgp 2 by 3. Here VGB minus VTH divided by UT minus 20 minus 10, 0 plus 10, 20. X-axis, example n equal to 1.3. So here in x-axis VGS minus VTH divided by UT is 2 by 3. This CGS, this is CGP, this is CGD. Bulk conventional MOSFET, small signal noise model, this noise model, OS interface, tapping, INTH, that is OS interface tapping, VNFK in gate side, and source drain link by INTH, thermal agitation. Thermal weight component, CA square NTH divided by TF equal to 4 KT GMS KTH, UT equal to KT by Q. KTH equal to 1 WA and SI conduction. WA or SI saturation 1 by 2 or 2 by 3. Here T square NTH divided by TF equal to 4 KTG MS KTH. KTH how much? This is mentioned here. This thermal weight component, Flicker ping component, technology dependent. NMOS is greater than PMOS. dV square NFK divided by TF equal to KFK 1 WL divided by 1F. Memory effect. Uncorrelated phenomena. DI square N TOT divided by TF equal to 4 KT G ms KTH plus G square mg K F K 1 KFK divided by W L into 1 pi F. Power spectral density statistics. Power spectral density statistics, that is PSD statistics. Here log F, here log di square NTOT TF. Thermal minus 10 dB by DEC flicker point. Here log FC equal to G square mg divided by GMS KFK divided by KTH into 1 by 4K TWL. Yeah, under this in bulk enhancement MOSFET, small signal noise model. Thermal agitation INTH, here OS interface trapping VNFK, thermal void component di square NTH divided by TF equal to 4 KT G ms KTH UT equal to KT divided by Q KTH equal to 1 WA and SI conduction. Under WI or SI saturation 1 by 2, 2 by 3 or 2 by 3. Precare pin component dV square NFK divided by TF, technology dependent, NMOS greater than PMOS, KFK divided by WL, 1 by F memory effect. Here noise aware along IC design. Signal to noise ratio SNR V square maximum divided by integral over PW dV square NTOT divided by TF signal full scale di square NTOT TF equal to 4 KT G ms KTH plus G square mg KFK W by L 1 by F dV square NTOT TF equal to 4 KT N KTH GMG plus KFK WL 1 by F. GMG proportional IDR root square of ID. Dynamic range, power, low power circuit design, scalability, dynamic range, area, this is coverage. KF, KWL divided by 1 by F. This dynamic range power under low power circuit design, this will 4 KT and KTH divided by GMG. Proportional IDR root ID. Not root square title, root ID. Here bulk enhancement MOSFET, extrinsic DS diffusion diodes, base, source, gate, diffusion diodes. These diffusion diodes under in focus, P1 connecting N plus LD XD, here is AD, here PD. So P1 geometry parameters. AD equal to WLD area, for perimeter PD equal to 2 of W plus LD, AJ equal to AD plus PDXT, bottom plate